What's up guys, welcome back to LS.stangz. So in this video we're going to start taking apart our 1991 Chevy S10 and start building our no prep truck. So that being said, let's go ahead and dive into this. Come on. What's up, guys? So a little update on the truck and where we stand with the truck. So the truck is, as you saw in the previous clips and the time lapse and all that stuff, the truck is pretty well stripped down to bare bones. There's literally nothing here, as you see, like literally just an empty engine bay, some brakes, and some jack stands. That's pretty much it. That's all we got left. All the wiring is out of the truck. All the plumbing is out of the truck. Motor trans, of course. Everything is out of this truck. I've cut all of the cage out of the truck, so you can see where all the factory rocker bars and stuff was, where they went through the floor. I cut all the through the floor out. So that's where we're at on it. It's pretty well ready to go to Skyview, as you saw in the video. So yeah, that's pretty much all I know. I'm gonna get it to Skyview, get it caged. This motor is getting tore down, and I'm gonna completely refreshen it. It is a Dart Block 400 with a nice set of Brodix heads. I don't know the internals that's on the inside of it. That's why I said I'm gonna tear it down and refreshen it. And we are honestly gonna sell this motor, and this motor is probably gonna be some of the profit towards building this truck, because that's basically how I built my car. The whole LS.stangz thing, the Mustang, was built off of, I sold my original motor that I built when I was 12, 13 years old, and sold that motor to build a car, and it was a budget build, and that's basically what we're gonna do here. We're gonna budget build this truck, but this truck is gonna be a hell of a lot safer and faster than my car. So, that being said, that's where we stand on the truck, and I appreciate you guys for watching. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, and until next time, guys, thank you.